How to scan QR code on any Android. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. If you have your Android phone with you or if you are an Android user, all you have to do is simply open your camera, tap this one here. Now you just have to click this three lines and you can see here Google Lens. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap this Google Lens and point the camera to the specific QR code, for example, this one. And then that's it. It will take you directly to the site. Now, some Android users have that QR code already, built in their camera. But for those who don't have, all you have to do is simply find that Google Lens and point that camera to the QR code, and it will take you directly to that site. Okay. Or if you don't have that, then you can go to Google and then search for the camera icon. Here it is, Google Lens. And all you have to do is to point that Google Lens to that specific QR code. And after that, you just have to wait as it is detecting the QR code and it will take you directly to the site or link. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.